Welcome back to the iMyTrans channel. Are you using a new iPhone 15 or iOS 17? If yes, you may be concerned about losing your valuable WhatsApp chats when you change devices. In this video, we'll show you how to easily upgrade WhatsApp from your old iPhone to your new device. Let's get started. The official free option is to utilize iCloud. No need to reset your iPhone or do anything else. Just make sure to back up your WhatsApp chats on your old device. You can find this option in Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. If you don't see the backup option, go to your iCloud page in Settings, tap Show All. Make sure to enable iCloud Drive. Then scroll down and make sure the WhatsApp toggle is enabled. So once you backed up your WhatsApp chats, go ahead and verify your phone number on the new phone. When a backup is found, set up your profile. And here we go, all the chat history has been restored perfectly. If you have difficulty using iCloud, here is how to transfer WhatsApp on a computer with iMyTrans. Navigate to the WhatsApp section from the home screen. Plug both devices into the computer, make sure the transfer direction is set correctly. Then click the transfer button. The existing chats on your new phone will be overwritten. That's fine. Let's continue. iMyTrans will be backing up the WhatsApp chats on your old phone. Okay. Now let's log into WhatsApp on the new phone. Well done. Let's go ahead and check it out. See? Everything has been transferred perfectly well, so that's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips like this, subscribe to the iMyTrans channel, or click another video to keep watching now. See you next time.